with my mate. I got back a little late. He said it would be fun. I wandered off, I've lost my mum. Please, I'm just a little hedgehog looking for food. Please, I didn't mean to be naughty, didn't mean to be rude. Thanks for the worm, my name's Jude. Thank you. It was a nice squiggly little worm.